First देखिए अपने कौन सा डाटा गिवन अच्छी f be a polynomial function of degree 4. That means f of x is equal to ax to the power 4 minus 4. अच्छा, let me check. F of x is equal to ax to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, right? How come data given अच्छी having extreme values at x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 5. So that means x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 5 पक्का तो critical point. So f dash 4 is equal to 0 and f dash 5 is equal to 0. F dash 4 is equal to 0 and f dash 5 is equal to 0. Then another data is limit extending towards 0. Limit extending towards 0. F of x upon x square equals to 5. Limit extending towards 0, f of x upon x square is equal to 5. This implies limit extending towards 0, ax to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e upon x square is equal to 5. From this, it is clear that both d and e must be equal to 0. Why? If d and e are not equal to 0, then this limit can never be equal to 5 because x upon x square means 1 upon x. X upon x square means 1 upon x. When x tending towards 0, 1 upon x will be infinity. Okay. So d and e must be equal to 0. The highest power of the denominator is 2. So this implies limit extending towards 0, ax to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square upon x square equals to 5. This implies, now divide each term by x square. Limit extending towards 0, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 5. When x tending towards 0, ax square will be 0, bx approaches to 0. So to the left hand side will be c. So from this it is clear that the value of c is equal to 5. So f of x is equal to ax to the power 4 plus bx cube. What is c? C is equal to 5. That is 5x square. Then what will be f dash x? F dash x is equal to 4ax cube plus 3bx square plus of 10x. F dash 4 is equal to 0. So f dash 4 is equal to 64 into 4, 256. 256a plus 48b plus 40 is equal to 0. And f dash 5 is equal to 0. F dash 5 is equal to 500a plus 75b plus 50 is equal to 0. Okay. Now solve these two equations to get the value of a and b. On solving these two equations, we'll have a is equal to 1 upon 8 and b equals to minus 3 upon 2. So f of x is equal to 1 upon 8 x to the power 4 minus 3 upon 2 x square plus 5, sorry, x cube plus 5x square. We are asked to find out the value of f of 2. So f of 2 is equal to 1 upon 8 into 2 to the power 4, that is 16, minus 3 upon 2 into 2 to the power 3, that is 8, plus 5 into 2 to the power 2, that is 4. So 2 minus 12 plus 20, which is equal to 10. Naslin, your answer is wrong. 10 is the right answer. ବୁଝିପାରିଲ chat box ରେ ଜଣାଅ. On solving these two equations, you can solve these two equations. Now you see, so 64a plus 12b plus 10 is equal to 0. So each term of the second is divisible by 25. So 20a plus 3b plus 2 is equal to 0. Now multiply the second equation by 4. It will be 80a plus 12b plus 8 is equal to 0. Right? Now, this is suppose equation 3 and this is equation 1. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 3. 80a minus 64a. It will be 16a. 16a equals to 16a plus 8 minus 10 is minus 2 is equal to 0. A is equal to 2 upon 16, that is 1 upon 8. Suchismita, ବୁଝିପାରିଲ କେମିତି 1 by 8 ଆସିଲା? Hello. ସମସ୍ତେ ବୁଝିପାରିଲ ପିଲେ? ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଯିବା, ତାକୁ ଲେଖିଦିଅ ଆଗେ. Next question. Question number 2, JEE 2025. Okay. Let a greater than 0 if the function of x is equal to 6x cube minus 45ax square plus 1 attains its local maximum and minimum values, attains its local max and mean values, max mean maximum, are the points x1 and x2 respectively, such that x1 into x2 is equal to 54. Find a plus x1 plus of x2. This is the question, right? So guys, take 2 minutes of time. Try to solve on your own. Attains local max and local mean at x1 and x2. Your first order derivative must vanish at x1 and x2. So that means indirectly x1 and x2 are roots of its first order derivative. Okay. So use the concept of quadratic, then you will be able to solve this question. Okay, guys, come to the solution. F of x is equal to 6x cube minus 45 ax square plus 1. F of x is equal to 6x cube minus 45 ax square plus 1. This implies f dash x equals 18x square minus 90ax. Okay. F dash x is equal to 18x square minus 90ax. I think some part is mixing. Let me check the question again. Yes, one part of the question is missing. Sorry, guys. (108 square x). 108 square x plus 1. Okay. So f dash x is equal to 18x square minus 90x plus 108 square, right? So in that it is given that, so f dash x1 is equal to 0 and f dash x2 is equal to 0. That means x1 and x2 are roots of this equation. x1 and x2 are roots of this equation. From quadratic, all of you know that sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. Product of the roots is equal to c by a. So x1 plus x2 equals 90a minus b by a, 90a by 18. That is equal to 5a. And x1, x2, product of the roots is equal to c by a. 108 a square by 18. You know, 18 6 are 108. This is equal to 6a square. It is given that x1, x2 is equal to 54. That is 6a square is equal to 54. 6 9 are 54. So a square is equal to 9. A is equal to plus or minus 3. At the beginning of the question, it is given that a is greater than 0. So a is equal to 3 only. If a is equal to 3, then what is x1 plus x2? x1 plus x2 will be 5 into 3. 5 into 3 is 15. What is the question? The question is to find out the sum of a, x1 and x2. That is a plus x1 plus x2. x1 plus x2 is 15. A is equal to 3. 3 plus 15, which is equal to 18. 18 is the right answer. Did you understand? Let me know through the chat box. Write in the chat box. Is it clear to you? Yes, 18. Let's move forward to the next question. The page again for 1 minute. Okay. Okay. So write down the next question. A similar type question like the previous one. If the function f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12 square x plus 1, where a greater than 0 attains its local maximum and minimum, local minimum values at P and Q. at P and Q respectively such that P square equals to Q, then find f of 3. Okay. It's like the previous question. So तुम्हें निजे टिके ट्राई करो करि परिबो 2 मिनिट टाइम दियो सॉल्व करो. आंसर आसिला राजलक्ष्मी नासरीन f of 3 is equal to 37. Okay, let me check. Riba, how can answer ଆସିble? F of x equals 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12 square x plus of 1. Okay. Attends maximum and minimum values at P and Q. The P and Q are roots of the equation f dash x is equal to 0. So first order derivative f dash x is equal to 6x square minus 18ax plus 12 square. P and Q are roots of this equation. So sum of the roots P plus Q equals 18a upon 6, that is 3a. P into Q is equal to 12a square upon 12a square upon 6, that is 2a square. Okay. So Q is equal to P square. Q is equal to P square. P plus Q is equal to 3A. P into Q is equal to 2A square. So P plus Q whole square is equal to 9A square. So P square plus Q square. P square plus Q square plus 2PQ is equal to 9A square. So P square is equal to Q. So Q plus Q square equals to 2PQ. 2PQ is 2A square, 4A square. So this is equal to 9A square. So Q plus Q square, Q plus Q square is equal to 5A square. Then I think something wrong I have done. Is 6x square minus 18ax plus 12a square. Sum of the roots minus b by a minus 8 by 3a. Bq is equal to 12a square by 2, that is 2a square. Okay. So p plus q whole square 9a square. Then how to get the value of pq? This calculation is not. Just a minute. Square is equal to q. If you substitute q is equal to p square. So pq is equal to 2a square. So p into p square is equal to 2a square. So p is equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3 into a to the power 2 by 3. The square is equal to, so q is equal to 2 to the power, q is equal to p square, 2 to the power 2 by 3 into a to the power 4 by 3. Then, so how to get the value of a? It could have basically calculation or something wrong with the question. Let me check. Just a minute. One mistake here. This much of calculation is not required. A square 6 into x minus a into x minus 2a. Okay. So the roots are a and 2a. So p is equal to a, q is equal to 2a. So p square is equal to q. So a square is equal to 2a, implies a is equal to 2. Okay. If we take a is equal to 2, then f of x will be 2x cube minus 18 x square plus 24x plus 1. We have to calculate the value of f of 3. 54 minus 108 plus 72 plus 1 minus 54 plus 72 plus 1 19. 19 is the correct answer. Equal to 2. Yes. 18x squared. Oh, sorry. Yes, A is equal to 2. This is 48x. Not 24. This is 48x. So f of 3 will be f of 3 is equal to 54 minus 108 plus 96. Sorry, 48. 1. So this is 134 plus 1. So minus 54 plus 134 plus 1. Equals 48x. 2x cube minus 27x square. Sorry. Sab gadbad. F of x is equal to, if a is equal to 2, f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 18 x square is equal to 2 plus 48 x plus 1. So f of 3 will be, that is 54 minus 3 minus 172 plus 58 to the 144 plus 1. This is equal to minus 172 plus 54 minus 70 to 30 28 plus 1 55 minus 28 55 or 65. Three, 38 2 28 plus 1. Calculation wrong ଅଛି କଣ ପାଇଁ? 162 not 5. So that is 18 plus 1. So 55 minus 18, that is 37. This is the correct answer. Okay. Yes, Nasrin answer correct. 37. So as your first session is over, second session, I'll start exactly at 9:15.